Hope you had a Merry Christmas. What we're doing today is finally loading these 4 logs onto my dump trailer, and we're going to get a few more to put in here in days to come, and I want to haul this load in and sell the logs. So with that, we're going to use the mini excavator with those log tongs on a chain on the bucket. I'm going to tilt the trailer, and you'll see from there. We're going to see how it works out, lifting the front end of the logs, dragging them into the trailer, and then tilting the trailer. See how it goes. Good right there. Maybe a little closer to the end. Alright, stand back. Okay, hook her up. Down a little, watch yourself. Log tongs, timber tough, worked really good. They didn't slip off once. I really like these. You're not supposed to lift with them, but they work pretty good. So that's my first time loading logs in a dump trailer and using that mini excavator. I want to buy a thumb for it, and maybe I could just pick the log up and place it in the trailer. But it's another $1,000, so until I get that, the log tongs, timber tough from Tractor Supply, and a chain, it works pretty good. You just have to take your time, so sometimes that log will be like hard to move, and then it gives and it slides a good bit, so you gotta kind of think ahead of where you're going so you don't get anything into your dump trailer with the mini excavator, or the log doesn't get away from you. But it went pretty smooth. They're just small logs, I think 10 to 14 inches in diameter depending on the side, and 8.5 and 2 8.5, 2 10.5 foot logs. I want to get a few more so I can take an actual load in, and we'll see what we get for them. That'll be another video. But I like the timber tough log tongs. That previous video I'll link. You saw me drag them out of the woods with it with the 4-wheeler. They hold on really good too. I didn't have one slip off today. The girlfriend was hooking them up. She did a great job. If she was able to operate the mini excavator, I would let her operate, and I would be the gopher, but she can't operate the machine, so that's why she was climbing around. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.